About Parrot. The parrot is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. It is believed to be one of the most intelligent bird species. There are around 400 parrot species around the globe. It is of different colors such as red, green, and blue. It is commonly green in color. It has a red curved beak with brown, black, or red circle around its neck. It has strong legs and clawed feet. It lives in warm tropical area. It is omnivorous and eats flowers, seeds, and fruits. It loves to eat chili and guava. It usually lives in groups and fly in herd. It is the only bird that eats with its feet. It has the ability to communicate with people by imitating them. It can live from 15 to 80 years. People tame parrots for card reading and entertainment in circus. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.